Microorganism. Another name for a microbe. This is any organism that is microscopic, e.g. virus or bacteria. Microbes. Microscopic organisms can only be seen with a microscope. Microscope. Technology that led to the development of the germ theory. Germ theory. The theory that infectious diseases are caused by certain microbes. Louis Pasteur. A French scientist who proved the link between germs and disease and developed vaccines for chicken cholera, anthrax, and rabies after using Koch's methods. Spontaneous generation. The main theory that Pasteur was trying to prove wrong, the idea that a living thing could be spawned from a non-living thing, maggots from something that was decaying. They didn't understand that bacteria existed before Pasteur. Pasteurisation. Rapidly heating a liquid and preventing the air from coming into contact with it can preserve it longer. Used for milk. Swan-neck flask experiment. Discovered that germs living in the air can cause food to go off when employed by a wine trader to solve problem of soured wine. Heated two broths and allowed one to be open to the air. The non-contact broth didn't turn. Silkworms. Pasteur discovered that silkworms were being killed by microbes. Rivalry. When people try and beat each other, Pasteur and Koch were in competition with each other. Their countries had recently been at war, so it made them more competitive. Robert Koch researched how specific germs led to specific diseases. Used dye to discover microbes that caused anthrax, diphtheria, typhoid, pneumonia, plague, TB, cholera and whooping cough. After reading Pasteur's works, won Nobel Peace Prize in 1905. Almroth Wright. A British bacteriologist who took Koch's work on typhoid and developed a vaccine in 1886. This vaccine was given to 10M+ troops on the Western Front in WWI, reducing the death rate from 14/1000 to 0.14/1000. Antibodies. A protein produced by the immune system to fight bacterial and viral attacks. Koch discovered these. Diphtheria Serum. Koch made a fluid which could be used to treat diphtheria in 1894. This was used in Britain from 1895 and reduced the death rate from the disease by over half within 10 years. Paul Ehrlich, one of Koch's students, responsible for developing magic bullets.